Are you building a high-performance PC and need a power supply that can handle the load? In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best 1600-watt fully modular power supplies on the market. From unmatched efficiency to cutting-edge features, we've got you covered. Stick around to find out which one suits your needs best. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Seasonic Prime 1600-watt fully modular power supply. The Seasonic Prime 1600-watt fully modular power supply is a high-performance power supply unit designed for demanding systems, such as gaming rigs, workstations, or servers. With its impressive specifications, it aims to deliver reliable and efficient power. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons based on its features. Pros: ultra-high efficiency with 80+ platinum certification. The Seasonic Prime 1600-watt PSU boasts an 80+ platinum certification, ensuring exceptional energy efficiency. This means less power is wasted as heat, resulting in lower electricity bills and a reduced environmental footprint. For users running power-hungry systems, this efficiency can translate into significant long-term savings. Fully modular cabling design. The fully modular cabling system allows users to connect only the cables they need, reducing clutter inside the PC case. This not only improves airflow but also makes cable management easier, leading to a cleaner and more organized build. Top quality 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan. The inclusion of a 135mm fluid dynamic bearing (FDB) fan ensures quiet and reliable cooling. FDB fans are known for their durability and low noise levels, making this PSU suitable for users who prioritize a quiet computing environment, even under heavy loads. Micro-tolerance load regulation. The micro-tolerance load regulation feature ensures stable and consistent power delivery, even under varying loads. This is particularly important for high-performance systems that require precise voltage control to maintain optimal performance and protect sensitive components. PVC embossed cables. The PVC embossed cables are not only durable but also aesthetically pleasing. They add a touch of professionalism to the build, making them ideal for users who want their PC to look as good as it performs. Cons: high wattage may be overkill for average users. At 1600 watt, this PSU is designed for extreme systems with multiple GPUs, high-end CPUs, and other power-hungry components. For average users or those with mid-range builds, this level of wattage is unnecessary and could be considered overkill, making it less cost-effective for casual gamers or general-purpose PCs. The Seasonic Prime 1600-watt fully modular power supply is a powerhouse designed for enthusiasts and professionals who demand top-tier performance and reliability. Its ultra-high efficiency, modular design, and premium components make it an excellent choice for high-end builds. Next up, at number 4, we have the Evga Supernova 1600p plus 1600-watt fully modular power supply. The Evga Supernova 1600p plus 1600-watt fully modular power supply is a high-performance power supply unit designed for demanding systems, particularly those used in gaming, content creation, or high-performance computing. With its impressive specifications and advanced features, it aims to deliver reliable power, efficiency, and quiet operation. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. We explore the pros and cons of this PSU. Pros: high efficiency with 80+ platinum certification. The Evga Supernova 1600p plus an 80+ platinum certification, ensuring at least 92% efficiency under typical loads. This means less energy is wasted as heat, resulting in lower electricity bills and a reduced environmental footprint. For users running power-hungry systems, this level of efficiency is a significant advantage. Fully modular design. The fully modular design allows users to connect only the cables they need, reducing clutter inside the PC case. This not only improves airflow but also makes cable management easier, contributing to better overall system cooling and aesthetics. Premium build quality with Japanese capacitors. The use of 100% Japanese capacitors ensures durability and reliability. Japanese capacitors are known for their high quality and longevity, making this PSU a dependable choice for long-term use. Additionally, the DC-DC converter design enhances stability for the 3.3V and 5V rails, which is crucial for sensitive components. Quiet operation with double ball bearing fan. The inclusion of a double ball bearing fan in Evga Eco Mode ensures ultra-quiet operation. This is particularly beneficial for users who prioritize a silent computing environment. The fan's design also contributes to an increased lifespan, making it a reliable choice for extended use. High wattage for demanding systems. With a massive 1600-watt power output, this PSU is well suited for high-end systems with multiple GPUs, overclocked CPUs, and other power-hungry components. It provides ample headroom for future upgrades, making it a future-proof investment. Cons: size and compatibility. Due to its high wattage and advanced components, the PSU is relatively large. This could pose compatibility issues with smaller PC cases. Users should ensure their case can accommodate the unit before purchasing. The Evga Supernova 1600p plus 1600-watt fully modular power supply is a top-tier PSU that delivers exceptional efficiency, reliability, and quiet operation. Its fully modular design, high-quality components, and massive power output make it an excellent choice for high-end systems and enthusiasts. Taking the third spot is the Evga Supernova 1600G plus 1600-watt fully modular power supply. When it comes to high-performance power supplies, the Evga Supernova 1600G plus 1600-watt fully modular power supply stands out as a top contender for enthusiasts and professionals who demand reliable and efficient power delivery. With its impressive specifications and features, this power supply unit is designed to meet the needs of high-end gaming rigs, workstations, and other power-hungry systems. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the Evga Supernova 1600G+. Pros: high efficiency with 80+ gold certification. The Evga Supernova 1600G Plus boasts an 80+ gold certification, ensuring that it operates at 90% efficiency or higher under typical loads. This means less energy waste, lower electricity bills, and reduced heat generation, making it an environmentally friendly and cost-effective choice for long-term use. Fully modular design for improved cable management. The fully modular design allows users to connect only the cables they need, significantly reducing clutter inside the PC case. This not only improves airflow but also makes the building process cleaner and more organized, which is especially beneficial for custom builds and small form factor systems. Premium build quality with Japanese capacitors. The use of 100% Japanese capacitors ensures durability and reliability. These high-quality components are known for their longevity and stability, making the PSU a dependable choice for demanding systems. Additionally, the DC-DC converter design enhances the stability of the 3.3V and 5V rails, ensuring consistent power delivery. Quiet operation with advanced cooling features. The double ball bearing fan and Evga Eco Mode contribute to ultra-quiet operation. The Eco Mode allows the fan to stop spinning under low loads, reducing noise and increasing the fan's lifespan. This makes the PSU ideal for users who prioritize a quiet computing environment. Cons: limited use case for Eco Mode. While the Eco Mode is a great feature for reducing noise and extending fan life, it's only effective under low loads. For users running high-performance systems that consistently operate under heavy loads, the benefits of Eco Mode may not be as noticeable. The Evga Supernova 1600G plus 1600-watt fully modular power supply is a powerhouse designed for enthusiasts and professionals who need top-tier performance and reliability. Its high efficiency, modular design, and premium components make it a standout choice for extreme builds. Coming in at number 2 is the Corsair AX1600i 1600-watt fully modular power supply. The Corsair AX1600i 1600-watt fully modular power supply is a high-end power supply unit designed for enthusiasts and professionals who demand top-tier performance and reliability. With its cutting-edge technology and premium components, it has become a popular choice for those building high-performance PCs. However, like any product, it comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of the Corsair AX1600i. Pros: unmatched efficiency. The Corsair AX1600i boasts 80+ titanium certification, ensuring exceptional energy efficiency. With over 94% efficiency, it minimizes power waste and reduces electricity costs, making it an environmentally friendly choice for power-hungry systems. Premium build quality. Built with 100% Japanese 105C capacitors and state-of-the-art gallium nitride transistors, the AX1600i is designed for durability and reliability. These high-quality components ensure stable power delivery and a longer lifespan, even under heavy loads. Digital design for advanced control. The AX1600i features a digital design that integrates with Corsair Link software. This allows users to monitor and control the PSU's performance in real time, including adjusting fan speeds, switching between single or multi-rail overcurrent protection, and tracking voltages and efficiency. Ultra-stable power delivery. With 1600 watt of continuous power and world-class electrical performance, the AX1600i provides incredibly stable voltages and ultra-low ripple noise. This makes it ideal for high-end gaming rigs, workstations, and overclock systems that require consistent and reliable power. Compact and efficient design. The use of gallium nitride transistors allows the AX1600i to achieve superior efficiency in a smaller form factor compared to traditional silicon-based PSUs. This makes it easier to fit into compact builds without sacrificing performance. Cons. Overkill for average users. With a massive 1600 watt capacity, the AX1600i is designed for extreme systems with multiple GPUs, high-end CPUs, and extensive overclocking. For average users or those with modest builds, this PSU is excessive and unnecessary. The Corsair AX1600i 1600 watt fully modular power supply is a powerhouse of a PSU, offering unparalleled efficiency, stability, and control for high-performance systems. Its premium build quality and advanced features make it a top choice for enthusiasts and professionals who need reliable power for demanding setups. And finally, our top pick, the Asus ROG Thor 1600 watt fully modular power supply. The Asus ROG Thor 1600 watt fully modular power supply is a high-end power supply unit, PSU, designed for enthusiasts and gamers who demand top-tier performance and reliability. Packed with premium components and innovative features, it aims to deliver exceptional efficiency and durability. However, like any product, it comes with its own set of advantages and drawbacks. Let's dive into the pros and cons of this powerhouse PSU. Pros. 80+ titanium certification. The Asus ROG Thor 1600 watt boasts an 80+ titanium certification, ensuring exceptional energy efficiency. This means it wastes less power as heat, making it an eco-friendly choice for high-performance systems. It's ideal for users who want to minimize their electricity bills while running power-hungry components. Premium build quality. Built with 100% Japanese capacitors and other high-quality components, this PSU is designed for longevity and reliability. Japanese capacitors are known for their durability and stability, ensuring consistent performance even under heavy loads. Advanced cooling system. The integrated ROG heatsinks are twice as large as traditional designs, reducing internal temperatures by 20%. This not only enhances performance but also extends the lifespan of critical components. Additionally, the 135mm axial tech fan with PWM control keeps noise levels low while effectively managing thermals. Real-time power monitoring. One of the standout features of the ROG Thor 1600W is its OLED display, which monitors power draw in real time. This is a handy tool for enthusiasts who want to keep track of their system's power consumption and ensure optimal performance. Gallium nitride MOSFETs. The use of GaN MOSFETs is a game changer. These components offer lower switching losses and improved efficiency compared to traditional silicon transistors. This allows the PSU to handle massive power demands without wasting energy, making it a great choice for high-end gaming rigs or workstations. Fully modular design. The fully modular design allows users to connect only the cables they need, reducing clutter inside the case and improving airflow. This makes cable management easier and contributes to a cleaner, more organized build. Cons. Large size. The ROG Thor 1600 watt is a bulky unit, which might pose compatibility issues with smaller PC cases. Users with compact builds should double-check their case dimensions before purchasing to ensure a proper fit. The Asus ROG Thor 1600 watt fully modular power supply is a top-of-the-line PSU that delivers exceptional performance, efficiency, and durability. Its premium components, advanced cooling system, and innovative features like GaN MOSFETs and the OLED display make it a standout choice for enthusiasts and professionals with demanding power needs.